Hi everyone, as I mentioned in the last video, today I want to show you the Live Editor and also the content management system. So what we see here now is our dashboard. We have recently viewed pages, we have recently updated and also newest pages. And you can browse through that and also check the pages, and you see a pretty cool preview, so you know which page you want to edit. Okay, now let's go into one page. Something I maybe have to tell you before we start that. This is the system of Stokke. So they gave us the possibility to show it live in their system. So that's why you see all the strollers and it's very branded to Stokke. Okay, so we have here the page overview, and now you see the Live Editor, and you can select the language which you want to preview. So, okay, let's now go into Belarus. It's English, so I think you all understand that. Maybe it's a bit hard to read that in Japanese. Okay, so now we have on the right side the real preview. So you see the page, how it looks online. And you can just by drag and move the mouse, you can change between the desktop view and also the mobile view. Okay, here you have some features where you can go back to the page, add a new module, you can reorder the modules, or you can go to interactive mode. But what I want to do now is I want to add a module. Now you see here a preview of the modules you can insert. These are all Stokke content or Stokke modules. And now let's use, for example, the category page hero. You just drag and drop it into the page. After reloading the page and already inserting this module, you see now, okay, we have this new module, category page hero. And now we can just start editing it. We click on search images. We, for example, take this image and save that. So we have then also the preview. Cool. So you see now the page is already inserted. The image, sorry. And yes, now we start just editing all the texts, like for example this one. And we also want to, I think we're in Belarus, so I think that's let's just use English. And we save the translation, we close it again. And we have the headline now updated. Okay, now that's a pretty cool module, but I want to have it as a hero image, so right at the top. Now I go to reorder module, and I inserted this one, category page hero, and just drag and drop it to the top. Now I save, and what we see here now is the module we've inserted at first is now at the top. All right, so now I want to see it how it really looks online. And now I go to interactive mode. And now we have the image at the top, and here we have the older page. As you might see here, we've inserted this page in the real homepage. So you also have the header and you have the footer. So what you can do now is you just can, click through everything. So it's like in real life. Okay, cool. So now let's go back, and that's all I wanted to show you right now. And in the next videos, I will show you the whole content process and also something more about images. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.